The Honda NC750X DCT has updated styling, enhanced adventure-ready features, and a refined dual-clutch transmission. It's the ideal urban-to-trail companion with improved comfort, connectivity upgrades, and better fuel efficiency. Ride along to uncover everything you need to know. The NC750X receives a welcome refinement with its updated dual-clutch transmission. Borrowing shift logic from the Africa Twin, the system now delivers noticeably smoother low-speed control and more intuitive gear changes. At the heart of the improvement is a smarter algorithm that actively monitors oil temperature to fine-tune clutch engagement in real time. This results in more natural-feeling takeoffs, especially in stop-and-go traffic or urban riding. Shifts are quicker yet less abrupt, enhancing ride comfort without compromising performance. The DCT update elevates the bike's appeal for new, experienced riders seeking convenience, efficiency, and a more composed ride across varied conditions. The NC750X now features a stronger twin-disc front braking system, with dual 296mm floating rotors and two-piston Nissan calipers, enhanced by combined ABS for improved control and safety. This upgrade markedly enhances stopping power, delivering sharper, more immediate frontal bite and greater braking modulation. Riders report the system allows firm, confidence-inspiring deceleration without overwhelming lever effort, ideal for urban traffic or spirited touring. The improved front-end feel keeps the chassis composed under heavy braking, reinforcing the bike's all-round versatility. Whether navigating crowded streets or charging through winding back roads, this upgraded stopping system brings a substantial boost in safety and command, making the motorcycle an even more well-rounded, rider-focused motorcycle. The NC750X debuts a vibrant 5-inch full-color TFT display, replacing the previous LCD. With optical bonding for improved daylight readability, the screen supports Bluetooth and Honda Road Sync integration for turn-by-turn navigation, music, calls, and even weather updates. Operable via a backlit, 4-way toggle on the left handlebar, riders can customize layouts and access smartphone features hands-free through a Bluetooth headset. This modern dash blends practicality with smart convenience, enhancing urban commuting and touring experiences. By incorporating intuitive connectivity and crisp visuals, Honda elevates the bike's cockpit, making every ride more informed, convenient, and enjoyable. The NC750X introduces eco-conscious innovation with Durabio body panels and a windscreen made from a bio-based polycarbonate resin derived from non-edible corn. This plant-based material delivers toughness, scratch, and weather resistance comparable to traditional plastics, all without requiring paint, thanks to vibrant colors infused during molding. By eliminating painting, Durabio reduces greenhouse gas emissions and petroleum use, while its color-through quality helps conceal scratches. Honda applies Durabio on 6 parts, marking the first use of colored Durabio on a motorcycle. The result: a greener yet durable bike that aligns environmental responsibility with practical, long-lasting road performance. The motorcycle features an enhanced ride mode suite: Rain, Standard, Sport, and a customizable user mode, integrated with its refined DCT system. Throttle-by-wire enables each mode to adjust engine power delivery, engine braking, Honda selectable torque control intervention, and gear shift behavior. In rain mode, gear changes and throttle response are softer for smooth, controlled riding in wet conditions. Standard offers balanced characteristics for everyday use, while Sport sharpens throttle mapping and urges quicker, higher RPM shifts. The user mode allows riders to tailor their preferences to DCT shifting patterns and other parameters. This intelligent integration ensures optimal performance, comfort, and control across varying conditions, making the bike adaptable for relaxed commuting and spirited adventure. The NC750X is a strong, torquey adventure-styled motorcycle powered by a 745 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, delivering 59 horsepower at 6,750 RPM and 69 Newton-meters of torque at 4,750 RPM. It offers smooth, accessible low and mid-range pull ideal for varied riding conditions. Its twin-cylinder configuration and well-tuned ECU provide an effortless response, delivering confidence during urban commuting and spirited canyon runs. Matched to Honda's intuitive dual-clutch transmission, the bike delivers seamless shifts, whether in automatic or manual mode, enhancing comfort on long tours. Its pragmatic ergonomics, torquey engine, and fuel-efficient design make it a versatile, capable choice for riders seeking reliable adventure with everyday usability. The motorcycle features an adventure-ready chassis that blends stability with everyday versatility. Built around a rigid steel diamond frame, the bike offers a planted feel on the pavement while remaining agile for light off-road excursions. Suspension duties are handled by a 41mm Showa telescopic fork and a ProLink rear shock, offering 120mm of travel, ideal for absorbing road imperfections or gravel trail bumps. The 802mm seat height perfectly balances accessibility and ground clearance, making the bike manageable for a wide range of riders. Whether commuting, touring, or exploring scenic byways, the bike's well-balanced chassis keeps you confident and comfortable on varying terrain. The NC750X is built for practical comfort, especially on long journeys. Its underseat fuel tank lowers the bike's center of gravity, improving stability while keeping the chassis balanced and agile. Up front, a lockable storage compartment replaces the traditional fuel tank area, offering enough space for essentials or even a full-face helmet. This thoughtful layout contributes to a lighter, more composed ride. Comfort is further enhanced by an upright riding position and a well-cushioned, roomy seat that supports extended hours in the saddle. Optional heated grips add cold weather confidence, making the bike a capable companion for year-round touring or daily commuting with ergonomic ease and smart design. The NC750X is an attractively priced adventure bike featuring a base manufacturer's suggested retail price of $9,499 plus a $600 destination charge, totaling $10,099 before taxes and fees. This model builds on Honda's reputation for combining user-friendly automation with robust performance. The smooth 745 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine and 6-speed dual-clutch transmission provide effortless shifting and ample torque. The low seat height, integrated 23-liter storage compartment, and 5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity enhance everyday practicality and touring comfort. With its modern styling, ABS, and selectable ride modes, the bike delivers exceptional value for riders seeking versatility without overspending in the sub-$11,000 segment.